So good evening class. How is the जोश? So basically बच्चों आज हम लोग पढ़ने वाले हैं डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन। डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन की अगर मैं बात करूं तो ये हमारी कैलकुलस का लास्ट चैप्टर होता है एंड बेसिकली डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इज नथिंग बट एप्लीकेशन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन। ओके, डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन हमारी कैलकुलस का लास्ट चैप्टर है और इससे पहले हम लोग इंटीग्रेशन पढ़ के आए हैं। सो इट इज नथिंग बट एप्लीकेशन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन। ओके, सो अब हम देख लेते हैं इसमें हम क्या क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स। नंबर 1 डेफिनेशन। डेफिनेशन ऑफ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन। डेफिनेशन ऑफ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन। नंबर 2 ऑर्डर एंड डिग्री। ऑर्डर एंड डिग्री ऑफ एनी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन। नंबर 3 solution or not solution. Number 3 is classification of differential equation. How many types of differential equation are there and what are those types? Okay. Number 4 solution of differential equation. Okay, and if time permits then we will do some problems on these topics. Okay, so let's begin our class. First of all, what is differential equation? Okay, so note it down the definition of differential equation. Any equation which consists of differential coefficients. Any equation which consists of differential coefficients. In brackets you can write it may or may not contain independent variables, dependent variables. Okay, so what is differential equation? Any equation which consists of differential coefficients. In brackets you can write differential equation may or may not contain independent variables and dependent variables. Okay, so let's take an example of differential equation. Number 1 example of differential equation. Example number 1. Suppose I have a differential equation of dy by dx plus xy is equal to cot x. Okay, suppose this is my differential equation. So is this equation a differential equation? Yes. Why? Because it contains this differential coefficient. It also contains independent variables x and dependent variable y, but it is not the necessary condition. Necessary condition is what? It contains differential coefficient. That's why it is differential equation. Number 2, डी स्क्वायर वाई अपॉन डी एक्स स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर टाइम्स डी वाई वाई डी एक्स होल क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 0. Is this equation a differential equation? Yes. Why? Because it contains second order derivative of y with respect to x and first order derivative of y with respect to x, and it also contains independent variable x. But the necessary condition is this equation contains differential coefficient of second order and first order. It contains both of the order, so it is also the differential equation. Okay. Number third example, sine of what? D square y upon dx square plus xy is equal to 0. Is this equation a differential equation? Yes. Why? Because it also contains differential coefficient. Okay. So I hope that the differential equation definition and its examples are clear to all of you. Now moving on to the next topic, that is order and degree. So note it down in your copies, order and degree. So note down the definition of order. The order of differential equation, the order of any differential equation is the order of the highest order derivative, is the order of the highest order derivative occurring in the differential equation. Okay, again I repeat, what is order? Order of any differential equation is the order of the highest order derivative occurring in the differential equation. Now note it down the definition of degree, then we will see the examples. So what is degree? Degree of any differential equation, degree of any differential equation is the power of the highest order derivative, is the power of the highest order derivative occurring in the differential equation, when differential coefficient are free from, when differential coefficients are free from radical, fraction, exponents, logarithms, trigonometrical factors. Again I repeat the definition of degree. What is degree? Degree of any differential equation is the power of the highest order derivative occurring in differential equation when differential coefficients are free from what? Radical, fraction, exponents, logarithms, and last but not the least, that is trigonometrical factors. And underline all these terms. Okay. So let's understand order and degree by some examples. Okay. So example number 1. Suppose I have a differential equation d square y upon dx square plus dy y dx whole cube plus xy is equal to 0. Okay, suppose this is my differential equation. Now can you guess what is the order and degree according to the definition which we have noted down in your copies? What is order of this differential equation? I can clearly see that highest order derivative is this d square y upon dx square in this equation. Therefore, I can say that order of this differential equation is 2. Now, what is the degree according to the definition? The power which this highest order derivative has is its degree of this differential equation. Therefore, its degree is nothing but 1. Okay. Second example, sine of what? D square y upon dx square plus dy by dx whole square plus 2 is equal to 0. Suppose this is my differential equation. Now can you guess what is the order and degree of this differential equation? I can clearly see that highest order derivative in this equation is d square y upon dx square. Therefore I can say that order is 2. And what is the degree? Can you guess the catch in this question? I can clearly say that its degree is not defined. Okay, why? Because according to the definition of degree, first of all, differential coefficients should be free from any radical, fraction, exponents, log or any trigonometrical factor. Now if I see this differential equation, can you guess if I want to remove this sign term in front of d square y upon dx square and take the sign inverse on both the sides, then again sign will come on dy by dx. Therefore I can say that this differential coefficient, anyone, dy by dx or d square y upon dx square, it cannot become free from what? This sign term. Therefore I can say that its degree is not defined. Degree is not defined. Okay, and keep this example as star, because sometimes JEE will ask these type of questions in a straightforward in a straight format, so it is scoring 1. Okay, now let's take third example to get you much clear on this order and degree. Example number 3. What is example number 3? Suppose I have a differential equation of 4 plus dy by dx whole square raised to the power what? 2 by 3 is equal to d square y upon dx square. Suppose this is my differential equation. Now can you guess what is the order and degree according to the definition which you have noted down in your copies? I can clearly say that if I cube this equation, I cube on both the sides, cubic both the sides, so it will become 4 plus dy by dx whole square raised to the power 2 is equal to d square y upon dx square raised to the power what? 3. Therefore I can say that its order is what? 2 and its degree is what? 3. Can you guess? Because now in this differential equation highest order derivative is 2 and its degree is this power of highest order derivative, therefore its degree is 3. Okay, so I hope that order and degree terminologies and example wise is clear to all of you. Later on when you solve exercise sheets of career point, then you will get much clarity on this chapter, okay, on this topic. So now moving on to our third topic, that is classification of differential equation. Note it down, classification of differential equation. Basically, if I broadly speak, what are the types of differential equation or classification of differential equation? So mainly differential equation are mainly of two types. Okay, so note it down. Number 1, ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential equation. And number 2, partial differential equation. Number 2, partial differential equation. Now noted down the definition of ordinary differential equation. Write down. These differential equations involve, I am talking about ordinary differential equation. Okay, so these differential equation involve differential coefficient of only one independent variable. Okay, What is ordinary differential equation? These differential equation involve differential coefficient of only one independent variable. Okay. Suppose let's take an example of ordinary differential equation. First of all, ordinary differential equation, and number 2, partial differential and equation. Okay, so let's take an example of ordinary differential equation. Suppose example number 1, dy by dx is equal to ax plus what? b. Okay, now you can see in this type of differential equation there is only one independent variable. What is this independent variable? X. Okay, so I can say that this differential equation is ordinary differential equation. And now हम लोग अभी ऑर्डर एंड डिग्री पढ़ के आए हैं इससे पिछले टॉपिक में, तो क्या आप लोग इसका ऑर्डर एंड डिग्री गेस कर सकते हैं कि इसका व्हाट इज द ऑर्डर एंड डिग्री ऑफ दिस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन? आई कैन क्लियरली सी माय ऑर्डर इज व्हाट 1 and degree is also what 1. Clear? Second example, d square y upon dx square minus of x times dy by dx plus sine of y is equal to 2. Suppose this is my differential equation. Now I can clearly see in this differential equation also there is only one independent variable, that is x. Therefore it is also the ordinary differential equation. Now can you guess what is the order and degree of this differential equation? Its order is 2 and its degree is 1. Okay, now note down the definition of partial differential equation. These differential equation involve the differential coefficient of more than one independent variable. These differential equation involve the differential coefficient of more than one independent variable. So let's take an example of partial differential equation. Okay, partial differential equation. Example number 1. Suppose I have equation dy by dx plus dy by dt is equal to 0. Okay, so I can clearly see in this differential equation there are two independent variables. What are those independent variables? X and t. Okay, so I can say that this type of differential equation is what? It is partial differential equation. Why? Because it contains more than one independent variable. Number 2 example, sine of d square y upon dx square plus dy by dt is equal to 0. Okay, so in this differential equation there is also two independent variables. What are those two independent variables? X and t. Therefore this differential equation is also partial differential equation. So I hope that classification of differential equation definition wise and example wise is clear to all of you. Now coming on to our last topic of today's class, that is solution of differential equation. Note it down. Next topic, solution of differential equation. First of all, let us understand what is meant by this term, solution of differential equation. Okay, so write down, solution of differential equation solution of differential equation means integrating that equation. Solution of any differential equation is meant what? Integrating that equation. Second point, the solution of any differential equation. The solution of any differential equation contains independent variable, dependent variables, as well as arbitrary constants. Okay, so solution of any differential equation contains independent variable, dependent variable and arbitrary constants. Okay, third point, this solution is known as general solution. This solution is known as general solution of the equation, and these represent family of curves, whose axis is common. Okay, so what is meant by solution of differential equation? Solving a differential equation means integrating that equation. And what does solution of differential equation represent? It represents the family of those curves which are passing through same axis. Okay, so let's understand solution of differential equation by diagrammatically. Suppose this is my solution curve 1 of any differential equation. This is my solution curve 2 of any differential equation. This is my solution curve 3 of any differential equation, same differential equation. So I can say that my solution curve axis of all these curves, will always be same. Okay, so that is meant by solution of any differential equation. Okay, now if you want, we can do some questions on solution of any differential equation later on, but I hope that what we learned today is clear to all of you. First of all, we see what is differential equation, its definition. Second topic we see today is its order and degree, some examples of order and degree. Third topic, classification of any differential equation. What are the types of differential equation? They are of two types, ordinary and partial. And number 4, but not the least, that is solution of any differential equation. So let's wrap our today's class up to this point only, and when we meet tomorrow, then we basically start our class after solution of differential equation, next topic. Okay, so I hope you like my session. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.